Hello, my viewers. I'm your host Gurinder Singh, and this is the 8th day of 15-day challenge. And as you all know, yesterday I gave you a method with which you can make cue cards by yourself, and now we will test it. That is it useful or not? I will ask some of the questions from my student. So let's see that how is he answering, or is he answering correctly or not. So guys, if you are getting benefits from this video, do not forget to subscribe and smash the like button. And now let's start with it. Okay, now I will give you a topic on which you will have to speak for a minute, and the product on which you have to speak is a mobile phone.
Mobile phone is a best gadget in 21st century. There are lots of mobile phone in a market like iPhone, Samsung, Onita, Motorola, Moto, and other Chinese phones. These phones are very helpful for us to enhance our knowledge on searching the Google and explore the YouTube. Apart from that, we can use for entertainment purposes like watch web series and using many type of social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. I generally prefer and like and crazy about iPhone. iPhone is the best gadget in 21st century. Not only huge price, but its quality is a very best quality. Its camera quality is a very good quality.
And ਦੇਖੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰੈਪੂਟੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਪੌਜ਼ਸ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਆ। ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਫੋਨ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਗਿਆ, ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਟਰ ਕਰਦਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਨਾਂਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਤਾਂ ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ ਮੈਟਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੀ ਆ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮੋਟਰੋਲਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਆ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਨਰਲੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ there are various kind of mobile phones that are really popular in my area. For example, Samsung, iPhone and so on. ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ word use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ so on, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਦੱਸਣ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਫਿਰ apart from this ਤੋਂ linking word use ਕੀਤਾ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ use ਕੀਤਾ। ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ now I will give you second product on which you will have to speak, and the product is goggles.
Goggle play a very crucial role in our life in our eyes to protect our eyes from sun, and apart from that, it is a very helpful to read for those people which eyesight problems are very high, and there are various kind of goggles are available in market like sunglasses, sun goggles, and fashionable goggles, and variety of companies are manufacture the
okay, now you have to speak on okay ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ which eyesight, whose eyesight ਕਹਿਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ। ਇਨਸਾਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ which ਨਹੀਂ use ਕਰਦੇ, ਇਨਸਾਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ who word use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। okay, now you will have to speak on transport.
There are various kind of transport: public transport, private transport. In public transport like city buses, trains, and another kind of metros. And in private like Uber and many more transport. These transport are very helpful for us to migrate one place to another, and also deliver goods and services. And I think that public transport is a very cheap transport, like railways, trains are very cheaper as compared to buses.
Okay, now your next word on which you have to speak is a coat. Jacket.
There are numerous kind of jackets are available in market like cotton jackets and leather jackets. I generally prefer leather jackets because leather jackets are protective, very helpful to protect from cold and leather jackets are generally made with the leather of animals like cow leather and sheep leather and and many more other animals.
Mhm.
In market, many type of brand are available like Gucci, Gucci, Armani, and Nike, Adidas, Puma, and so on.
Mhm.
And in market, expensive coats are also available, and cheaper are also available.
Reputation ਆ leather cheaper also available ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ cheaper coats are also available ਹੋਰ
और
available ਦੀ reputation ਆ ਠੀਕ ਆ for example coat ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ coat ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ honestly I do not have a lot of coats with me. I just have 2 coats which I wear regularly in winters. For example, one is of orange and another is blue in color. I love to wear these jackets because they protect me from the cold weather and it suits me, and I think that numerous people also comment me that you look handsome in your coat, so that's why I generally prefer to wear it. My coat is of Allen Solly and another is of Woodland. I love to wear it. The price of the coat is also reasonable. It's not very high, but I think that in upcoming winters I will have to buy new coat because it's old one, and I think it's now the fashion of that color has also gone. So in upcoming winters I will definitely buy a new one, and let's see, and I would love to discuss it with some of my friends that which coat should I buy, like of which brand or which color.
okay.
ठीक है कितना कुछ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਭੁੱਲ ਗਿਆ ठीक है okay now your next product on which you will have to speak is a tube light.
In last week I bought a tube light and from market because my home tube lights and out is not working properly. That's where I buy a new one, and at that time shopkeeper tell me about LED. And because tell me what the features of LED, like LED consume less electricity as compared to tube light. At that time I change our mood and I buy a LED and cancel the idea to brought a tube light. And its price is 130 rupees, and I saw various kind of LEDs like
okay
from
ਠੀਕ ਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ I buy new one buy ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਹੋਣਾ bought ਆਉਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ tell me ਨਹੀਂ he told me past ਹੋ ਗਿਆ he told me I change our mind our mood our nahi I changed my mood I changed my mood buy LED नहीं सी होना bought LED ना सीगा ठीक है past tense ਦੀ problem ਸੀਗੀ tense नहीं सही यूज़ ਕੀਤਾ ठीक है बाकी ठीक सीगा ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ 2-3 ਦਿਨ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰ and then we'll see the difference tomorrow ਆਪਾਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਪੂਰੀ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ with all 3 parts and we'll see that there is any kind of difference ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ 8th day ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਅੱਧੇ ਦਿਨ ਲੰਘ ਗਏ ਅੱਧੇ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ so let's see that will he be capable to score 6.5 at 15th day or not. And guys, if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਲਾਸਟ 15th day ਤੇ ਇਹ 6.5 score ਕਰਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ. So stay in touch with me and thanks for watching.